In this short tutorial, I will show you how to connect Network Keyboard 1000 to DSS V8. So, first of all, we connect our client to DSS server via RJ45 cable, of course. We connect the USB keyboard or the network keyboard with a USB cable to our client. We can also connect the keyboard to the network via RJ485. It will be also necessary for upgrading the firmware. It's really important to upgrade the firmware to this version. I will also place this firmware below this video, so we will have a link to download. Okay, what we need to do next? Once we upgrade the firmware, we need to go to Home button, then go to Local Settings, go to Shortcut Keys, and change from the PC keyboard to Joystick USB keyboard and hit the save. Then go back to Monitoring Center. First of all, what you need to do with the keyboard once you connect it. As you can see over here, it requires login. The default password is 6/8. And hit enter. You see we are already logged in and we are logged in the view. What you need to do now is to confirm the view until you get this display on the camera. So now what we can do with our PTZ, we can of course spin up and down, right? We can go whatever we want to do. We can also digitally zoom, optically zoom in, zoom out. So whatever our PTZ allows us to do. Okay, of course, this is not everything what we can do with our joystick. We can go on the presets directly. So while standing on the camera, you can select the preset. For example, on our PTZ, I want to have the preset 1. So press 1 and then preset button. As you can see, the PTZ is going to the home preset. Let's do now with the preset number 2. And we are going on the preset number 2. So that's how easy it is to operate with the PTZ. Of course, you can all the time use the mouse as well. Then, how we can move around the windows over here? We got those nice arrows over here. As you can see, up, down, plus, minus. So we can go over here and switch between the window. As you can see on my screen, the blue window is going up and down. We can also add the camera in the empty window. But first, we need to set up some number for the camera. Where we can do this? Go to Home. Go to Device Configuration, find some camera, for example this 113, click on Edit, go to Video Channel and create the keyboard code, for example 2, and hit OK. Now switching to the main window, we are sitting over here, so let's go back on the keyboard and place camera 2. So 2 and cam. I also set up another camera over here, so we can move down with the arrow to next available window, and I will press now free cam. So we got another camera. So all the cameras needs to be set up with a unique number. If we got in the situation that we have no more empty windows, we can change the layout. For example, to 9. In this case, press 9 and then multi. As you can see, combination of the keys with 9 and multi, we change the layout. Of course, all those shortcuts are available for you in the local settings. You can review them anytime. They are all listed over here. or you can print it, or doing whatever you want for you. Okay, what next we can do with the keyboard? As you can see, I got several monitoring centers open over here. Center 1, Center 2, Center 3. We can also change between the tabs with our keyboard. So just click the number, for example number 2, and then play. As you can see, we are in monitoring center number 2. Or going to the monitoring center number 3, we will hit number 3 and play button. So we are in a different monitoring center. And in order to go back, click on 1 and play. So we are back in our original view. Of course, you can use it also for patterns. You can using also for patterns, tours, using the pan tilt zoom, of course, of the PTZ, changing in the windows, changing the cameras in the views, whatever you want to do. I really recommend to test this joystick in our latest DSS. It's really a pleasure to work with. Thank you very much for watching this video.